Alright, my multi-purpose selfie stick has arrived and I have it right here in a transparent protective pack, and I'll be unboxing it to see what is actually inside. Now I'm opening the pack. I have unpacked it and it came with two LED lights, one micro USB cable and a multi-purpose selfie stick itself. It has a removable Bluetooth control button and then the phone clamp itself, and at the top it has the general clamp for supporting most cameras. So apart from using it as a tripod for your phone, you can also use it for your camera. There is a non-slip contact at the base that will keep it firmly on the ground. You can use it in this mode, and it is also possible to turn the phone vertically. The two LED lights have been attached, and also the lights have three different operational modes. You can press the button underneath the lamp to change the brightness from warm to cool to full bright. You can also turn the phone face down as shown to record something underneath. You can also spread the legs to reduce the height. Okay, now I've placed it on the ground and I've raised the tripod to a height of about 1 meter. At this position, it is now at a full height of 1.56 meters. I have folded the tripod legs and I'm holding them together, and in this mode I am using it as a selfie stick. And then with this Bluetooth control device, I can take pictures by synchronizing it via Bluetooth with the phone. So this is the selfie stick mode. It is also possible to hold it like a gimbal, like this. So you can go around recording your video just holding it vertically like this. Alright, that's all about the multipurpose selfie stick. So it's time for me to go take some pictures.